Tired of hunting for the right button to create a Webex space? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set one up and start collaborating with your team. No more guessing, no more accidentally creating a team when you just wanted a simple place to chat. We'll walk through logging in, finding the messaging section, and creating your space step by step. Let's get started. All right, so the first step is signing into your Webex account. Go ahead and open up your browser or the desktop app and enter your credentials.
This is pretty straightforward, just like logging into any other service. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Now that you're signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several options there, but the one we want is labeled Messaging. Give that a click. This is the section where all your conversations live, both direct messages and group spaces. It's the home base for collaboration. So once you're in the messaging view, take a look at the top of the page. You should see a small plus icon, like a little circle with a plus sign inside. Go ahead and click that. That plus icon is your gateway to creating something new, whether it's a direct message, a team, or what we're after, a space. From that drop-down menu that appears, select the option that says Create a Space. This is the specific one we need. A space in Webex is designed for focused collaboration on a project or topic. It's not as structured as a team, which makes it perfect for quick, ongoing conversations. Now, after you click that, a new window or panel will pop up. This is where you give your space an identity. Enter a name for your new space. And here's the thing, make it descriptive. Instead of something generic like meeting, try something like Q3 marketing campaign or design review. It saves so much time later when you're looking for it in your list. I've learned the hard way that vague names just create confusion down the road. Below the name field, you'll see an option to add people to the space. This is optional, but it's really the whole point of creating a space in the first place. Start typing a name or an email address of the people you want to invite. Webex will autocomplete from your contacts. You can add as many or as few as you need. And look, if you skip this step now, you can always add people later, so don't stress about getting it perfect the first time. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to review the space details. Double-check the name you've entered and the list of members you've added. Is it spelled right? Did you accidentally add the wrong person? In my experience, fixing a name after the fact is a bit of a hassle, so this little pause can save you a headache. Once everything looks good, click the blue Create button at the bottom. Webex will then process your request. This might take a moment to process, depending on your internet speed, but it usually only a second or two. And there you go. You'll see your new space appear in the left sidebar under your list of conversations. The screen will likely show a welcome message inside the space, confirming it's ready to go. You've done it. Your new space has now been created successfully. Now for the fun part. You can start chatting immediately. Just type a message in the text box at the bottom and hit enter. You can also share files by dragging and dropping them right into the message area, or by clicking the attachment icon. And here's the really important part for staying organized. Use threads. If someone asks a question about a specific file, reply directly to that message instead of at the bottom of the space. It keeps the conversation clean and easy to follow. So now that we've got that set up, here are a few tips to get the most out of your space. First, pin important spaces to the top of your list by right-clicking on them or clicking the 3 dots and selecting Pin. That way, your most active projects don't get buried. Second, if you're working on a big project, consider setting a space description. You can find that in the space settings. It's a quick summary that reminds everyone what the space is for. And finally, don't be afraid to create multiple spaces for different purposes. One for daily stand-ups, one for client feedback, one for random water cooler chat. It keeps everything organized and your inbox manageable. All right, that's it. You now know exactly how to create a Webex space and start collaborating like a pro. These steps come straight from working with the interface hands-on, so trust me, they work. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.